Oh, oh.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is John Concha coming to you from Northeast Philadelphia. Today, this is my very first video with the, whoa buddy, with the GoPro 6 Hero. So hopefully the quality is a lot better in this GoPro compared to my previous videos. So I hope you guys can see me really bright and clear. I'm sure you guys know this already, but this GoPro 6 has been out for a long time now, almost a year. And it's a really good camera. I've just never been able to buy it because I didn't feel the need for it. However, this morning when I woke up, Best Buy, I've been checking on Best Buy every day pretty much recently because I was about to pull the trigger last week, but I was waiting and waiting and waiting because I know the 7 is coming out pretty soon. So I was waiting until today I finally logged onto BestBuy.com and I saw they had a promotion. So essentially what it is you get a free 64 gig memory card or little SD card for the GoPro for free. To 64 gig. I think it's priced at $39.99, and however, it is free. So I got the camera on sale for $3.99 when the regular price is $4.99, and on top of that, I got the free memory card. So it's a win-win situation. I was gonna buy one anyways, and now I got this one. So right now I'm just testing it out. The previous video I was showing the different views with the 1080p, 720, the 4K. Right now I'm actually filming in 4K, so hopefully when you guys watch this video, it'll be nice and clean, nice and clear. Right now you can probably see the raindrops on the windshield. This guy almost hit me. So it'll make for better footage. So this is the first one that I got that's a 4K video quality. So we'll see how it goes. So right now I'm just driving around and testing the camera out. So one of the super cool features I noticed with this camera right away is the screen in the back. So I already knew this camera was going to have a screen in the back, just like the 5 and just like the regular, the one before the 5. It's not called 4, but the one before the 5 had this screen also. So I knew it was going to be a nice option to have, and using it, it's a really cool feature because you can actually see while you're filming. Before I was using, if you guys have been following me for a long time, you guys know I've been using the GoPro Hero, Hero 5 or 5 Hero, whatever it's called, which is the little square box. But there's nothing behind, you can't see what you're filming, so you're pretty much aiming and hoping you're getting good footage. With this guy, I can actually see what I'm aiming at, and hopefully I can get better quality videos. So let's keep driving here, testing out this footage, because it's gonna be really cool to see this on YouTube once I upload it. But again, right now I'm filming in 4K, so I can't wait to see what it looks like once I have it on my my big screen TV. So I'm also testing out different angles that I have. So where the camera is being held right now, I have two different that's what I'm looking for. Two different mounts for the GoPro. One of them is so I can face this way, so if I have a passenger on the side, I can film him and me or her and me. And the same mount, I can turn around and film straight ahead. And then the other one I have is one that's facing me, kind of like the one I was showing you a couple seconds ago. And if I want to face out towards the right, I can do that also. So I have a few different options for this car. And then I have another one over here, and can't really see, over here on the door panel. So I'm gonna be making a few different videos from a few different angles for you guys. It's gonna be pretty neat. There's a lot of cool stuff coming soon. But yeah, so just if you're tuning in, if you forward this video is just to show you different angles, but at the same time show you the GoPro Hero 6. Woo! Today, by the way, is Sunday, 7:09. Oh, Elantra Sport. Oh, I'm definitely gonna go catch that guy. You know what? I'm actually gonna turn the camera around because he's gonna be in video. Alright, let's go see if we can find him. I got the red light. It was cool. It was a white one, and it's definitely an Elantra Sport. Let's go see if we can catch it. Look at this guy on my right hanging out in a Jeep. It's about to pour, and he's driving a Jeep, but to each their own. It's a green light. Let's go. Nah, I think he's gone already. I think he is gone. Yeah, he's definitely long gone by now, so I'm not going to catch him. Whoa, buddy. Alright, so I think it's time to turn around and go back to my house. Unless he's at the light up here, but I doubt it. Yeah, no, I'm going to turn around. Did I ever tell you guys this Hyundai Elantra Sport has a great turn-in radius? Check this out. Woo! Wow, I think I've hit every single red light today. It's crazy. Oh well. So what do you guys think of this angle? Yes? No? Comment below. Let me know if you like this angle. If not, I'll be using the one facing both of us, even though there's nobody on that side right now. But I think this is pretty cool because I'm centered and the camera's pointing to me. But now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the opposite of this angle. So here you have it. Check it out. So right now I'm pointing to the right. This is the opposite of the one that's facing me. So here you can see the Wawa's coming soon in Northeast Philadelphia, off of Byberry and the Boulevard. That place is going to be super, super busy when it's open. So what did you guys think of that angle? Did you like that? So look at this guy in the truck. Of course, create your own lane, buddy. Although if I was in my truck, I would be doing the same thing, actually. So, can't complain. Alrighty, so there's the Wawa again, and now we're driving up here, still testing out the camera. There's the old Nabisco. That's what's left of the Nabisco company. Can't even talk sometimes. Alright guys, and if this is your first time on my channel, my name is John Concha. Once again, this is my dealership right here, Faulkner Hyundai. That's where I work. If you guys are looking for a brand new Hyundai, pre-owned Hyundai, certified Hyundai, or any kind of used car, you can always reach out to me. My information is listed below, so you can always call me, text me, email me, Snapchat me, Instagram me, tweet me, Facebook me. There's plenty of ways for you to contact me, but yep, let's keep on driving. Wow, that's like the first green light I have. Don't even think about it, dude. Alright guys, so now you saw 4 angles. Facing me, facing out, facing me, and facing out. Which one do you like the most? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do this. 1 is going to be facing both the driver and passenger. 2 is going to be facing the street centered. 3 is going to be facing just me in an angle to where you just see me in the middle. And 4 is facing out towards the right. Which one do you like the most? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Comment below. Alright guys, so final stretch before I get home. Give me your thoughts. What do you think of the resolution, the quality? Does it look clear? Is 4K worth it? Do me a favor, let me know. Comment below, because I want to know if this makes a big difference. I know it does by the name of it, but let me know if it makes a big difference. Also, don't forget, I sell cars in Northeast Philadelphia at Faulkner Hyundai. If you need a car, give me a call or shoot me a text. 267-266-5406. Give me a call or text me and I can help you. Also, if this is your very first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel below. That way you can get future notifications for my videos. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you at the next video. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Simply type in John Concha, hit subscribe, and hit the bell.